What's poppin'? It's your boy Tim FX. In today's video, we are going to be going over how to create a trading plan. As traders, a trading plan is the most important tool that we can have as traders. If you do not have a trading plan, then you do not need to be placing trades. And I'm going to say that again. If you do not have a trading plan, you do not need to be placing any trades whatsoever. So what is a trading plan and why is it so important? Your trading plan is basically a roadmap for you as a trader in any given market. Your trading plan is going to tell you what your trading strategy is. It's going to tell you when to enter the market, when to exit the market, what conditions are you looking for inside of the market. Are you trading during a trending market or are you trading during a ranging market? It's going to tell you what currency pairs you're going to trade. It's going to tell you what your risk management is and a lot more that I'm going to show you later inside of the video. Your trading plan is basically what sets you up for success as a trader. All right, now to the most important part of the video. How do we create our trading plan? Well, you want to figure out where you want to keep your trading plan. Do you want to keep it on paper or do you want to keep it digitally? I do want to say right now that if you do want to keep it on paper, I do highly recommend that you keep it inside of a trading journal like this, because you can put it on the front page of your journal. And of course, since you are documenting every one of your trades in your trading journal, it'll be the first thing that you see. And you always want to make sure that you read your trading plan before you enter the market anyway. So it'll be really convenient to have it like on the front page. But with that being said, I'm going to head over to my desktop and show you guys how to create the trading plan. All right, you guys, when you're creating your trading plan, you basically just want to follow an outline similar to this right here. On the right side, I have my actual trading plan that I'm currently using right now, but I'm just going to focus on the outline. So at the top of your page, you want to have your why, because the first thing that you want to read when you read your trading plan is your why. You want to know why you're trading in the first place. You want to know what your goals are. Maybe you have your goals inside of your why, maybe you don't, but you want to know what your reasoning for trading is, and you want to remind yourself every single time before you get onto the charts. And the next thing you want to have is your trading strategy. And within your trading strategy, you need to have your entries and exits. Maybe you trade during a specific session like London, New York, Sydney, or Tokyo. So you want to have your sessions if that is something that you look out for. You want to have your pairs to trade. Maybe you trade specific pairs, like you might only trade GU, which is British pound, and the US dollar. Or maybe you only trade UJ, which is US dollar and Japanese yen. You want to know how long you're going to hold a trade. So if you're a scalper, obviously you already know what you're going to trade. You know you might only stay into a trade for maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes, however long you want to stay into the trade. For me personally, I'm a intraday / swing trader, so it doesn't really matter for me. Next, you want to have like the market type. You know, are you trading during a ranging market? Are you trading during a trending market, or do you trade during both type of markets? And then you want to have your stop loss and take profits. You want to know exactly where you're placing your stop loss and where you're placing your take profits. Are you using Fibonacci to create your take profit? Are you putting your stops under the last previous low, or are you using an indicator like ATR? You basically just want to have that outline before you enter the market, and you want to have that all written out and planned out. Then next, you want to have your goals. This could be like maybe you're aiming for 250 pips every single week, which is what I aim for. Or you could have daily goals, such as like maybe you want to do 20 pips a day, 50 pips a day, 30 pips a day, whatever your goal is. And then the last thing that you want to have is your risk management. And this is the most important to me personally, because you want to make sure that you're not going into the market losing your money. You have to have a risk management plan, or you're basically just gambling at that point. You are basically going into the market saying, I don't care about my money, I just want to lose it. So you want to make sure that you have risk management. So now I'm just going to just show my actual trading plan and go over it just a little bit. So at the top, I have my why. Next, I have my trading strategy, which says my plan for some reason, but this is basically my trading strategy. I'm not going to go over it because it might not make sense to you, since it's my personal trading strategy that I made on my own. But this right here is the London and New York session is when I trade. In my entries, I have what I'm looking out for. So I might look for a rejection off the daily or weekly range. I trade off of Fibonacci sometimes, or I might look at T-bond correlations. And then I have my exits, which is the same as my entries, you know, what I'm looking out for. I have my do's and my don'ts. I do think that this is really important. I don't think I outlined this on this side. So it's like you do want to have like a do's and your don'ts. So for me personally, I don't trade on Fridays. I sometimes forget to check the news, so I make sure to put it in my trading plan to check the news weekly. So only you really know your problems in trading. Like maybe you forget to do something all the time. Like maybe you forget to set your stop loss. So maybe you want to put in there, always set a stop loss and take profit, so that you have that daily reminder every single time that you decide to trade. Then I have my risk management, of course, and then I have my stops and take profits. Now, I created all of this inside of Google Docs. You might wonder how I got the background and everything, so I'm going to show you real quick. Basically, I just went to Canva, imported it from Google Docs, and you want to save your Google Docs as a PDF. I'm not sure where that is, but when you save it, you just want to save it as a PDF. And then when you go into Canva, you want to upload the document, and it'll open like this. And all you really have to do to get a background is just drag a picture in, and the picture and the text might not go well together, but all you have to do is click on the picture, hit adjust, drop down the brightness, up the contrast, and add a little blurriness, and then your text will pop out how it should, and then you'll have something similar to mine. And that's basically all you have to do